Today we are trying to go to Agathi Beach, which is a few kilometers from Rhodos, but we have a heavy fire in the middle of the island, so I know that Rhodos and nearby cities are being evacuated at the moment, and fire is spreading a lot. Today we also saw a smoke from Rhodes city from our balcony. So let's see how far we can go before they won't let us go anymore. And as I read the news, Poland has come to the rescue and helped Greece about the fire. So let's see if Estonia is joining as well or not. I hope they come. So we arrived to Agathi Beach, and the fire is about 13 kilometers away from us, and I can say that Agathi Beach is the most beautiful beach I have been in Rhodes. It has golden sand, crystal clear waters, nice swimming, nice views, and because of the fire I also see planes coming here and take some water to put out the fire. So I want to thank all the firefighters who fight day and night with this fire, and hopefully they will get it under control soon. So now let me take you to the beach and show you how beautiful it is. If there is 45 degrees, there are only two options. One option is beer and the other option is water. It's really hard to film at the moment because the phone is overheating. I can only film like 30 seconds at a time and my phone is already burning. So I hope I get some clips for you.
when Rhodosest guy does a video log from the beach, what he likes.
What are you doing?
Hello, what are you doing here?
I am speaking with my viewers.
Your viewers?
Yes.
Where are they?
In YouTube.
I don't see. So, how do you like?
Very much. This is the best beach I have been. It's clean, it's crystal clear, not too many people. It's good.
As you see, bungalows. Behind that you can see the umbrellas and the sunbathing and the clear water. Also for children something.
It's so hot that my phone is overheating, so I have to put it in the cooler for now.
Into the water?
Yes. Agathi Beach is much cleaner than Zambika Beach, and I would say it's the most beautiful beach in Rhodes. The beach is sandy, no rocks at all, and on the side you can snorkel if you want. The prices for sunbaths are 25 euros for normal ones, and we paid 50 for this shady little thing. So with 45 degrees it's good to have shade, so we paid 50 euros for that this time. Ooh, spooky. This is dark, but here we can find light. Nice little cave. Here we can go up. Let's go, I found the stairs! You need very good shoes in here. So all this is smoke from the fire, and the main fire is there at the moment, which is 10 to 15 kilometers away from here, and all the fire forces are trying to put it out with planes and trucks and with a lot of men. I hope they can do it well. Yo, where is Rhodes Beach? We don't know where is Rhodes Beach. We are lost. So we were looking for red sand beach, and it's very hard to get. The road is awful and Google Maps lies. So we finally found it. It's right behind me, and we have to walk there if you want to go there. But the view is amazing. So if you come here, check it out.